So let's take a look here. First of all, the pit's only 150 degrees because this is like cold to the touch, this thermometer. So you're going to have a 6-inch thermometer to go in. Let's open this sucker up. Looks like a sleep study. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. So this is about the temperature gauge. I found one of these and I was like really overjoyed, you know. But as Smitty Jones has said, whose name is Kevin Porter, not sure if I'm supposed to release that information, this is only a 3-inch stem. So, and we saw on the other thing how far that 3-inch goes. It doesn't go in enough, and that door is pretty cold. Maybe not the inside of it, but I'm getting temperatures about 50 to 70 degrees less than what it really is, or less what it was showing on my Inkbird. So I'm going to have to order another one of these, and this will probably go out to a new smoker that I've acquired. I'm trying to identify and really need to get rid of. So if any of you want it, okay.
The new phone books are here. Millions of people read this every day. Hello.
Alright, how you doing?
Well, here's the other project we got. Mercy. Six-inch stem. The reason why is because this don't work. This don't work. That don't work. Because since this door is insulated, take a look at this right here. If this was a normal, I think this is 14 gauge. We were just talking about 14 gauge, then you'd have at least, and this is 3 inches, you'd have a considerable amount of a 3-inch stem going in the door. But the door is much thicker than that. Plus, it's insulated. So this temperature right here is one temperature, this temperature is right here, it's another temperature. I remember pulling this out, take a look, that's as far as it goes in. You know? Be careful when you undo these, because you can decalibrate them, something like that. This one right here, beautiful. I use this on, actually my meat mama, because I like to, basically what I do, depending on what temperature I am, one of the tricks I use, like if I want to smoke at 250, I would turn this one straight up. I would just cock it to where it's straight up. This thing is registering 150 when it's 250 inside, so it's like 175 degrees. So, it's obvious the solution is going to be an 800 degree, 14-inch stem. Of course, that's going to stab, so that's not going to work. That's a pretty expensive. Anyway, this is the one the lady just got right here. Tighten it only finger tight. This one doesn't have any way of calibrating it. And have your wrench prepared. Screw it in. We'll see how that works tonight. Okay, the model I used, and I don't even particularly like it. It is a true. Notice the spelling. And it is a X002G1IESR. Actually, it's a UT300. I don't see any indication on here what the stem is. It should be on there. Anyway, that's why I ordered, and it is non-adjustable, so I actually don't like it. And I do know that they make this one in a 6-inch stem or a 5-inch, one of the two. Can you tell me what's wrong with it? Yeah. Now this one right here doesn't have any way of adjusting it, but it looks like it's roughly in the right position. This one does. See that nut right there? Now I'm just going to let you know it's easier to use a nut driver than it is a screwdriver. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust this. Oh, it's got to go way below the 100, doesn't it? Essentially what we're doing, we're not doing anything to the thermometer, we're just turning the dial. And so if that is 150, then half of that would be 50 degrees, somewhere around 75 degrees outside. So let's just say right there is close enough. Back off a little bit. Okay, so if you were to calibrate this, the best thing to do is actually set it inside of the smoker next to whatever thermometer that you're going to put next to it. Okay.
You got the time, baby. I got the right. You got the time, baby. I got the right. Where I wanna go, keep you satisfied.